am Mrs. Cavazos with the HB Zachary Orchestra doing a tutorial in the next video series of how to start on your violin step by step. Today we are on page 10 in our book, which has Twinkle Twinkle Little Star by the wonderful and fabulous, fantastic, amazing, prolific composer Mozart. If you have not gone on YouTube or searched up any real recording of the variations of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you are missing out. He is pretty much flexing on what he can do on the piano. He's just going to town on it. So we know this melody as Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but no, Mozart is flexing and is like, look what I can do. So listen to that. It's awesome. Pause this, go listen to it, come back. It's crazy. We're not going to learn all the crazy versions. There are 12 different variations or 12 different versions of it. We're going to be learning the melody line. So back to pizzicato. Please continue to work on your bow. We'll be doing more bowing videos further ahead, but we are doing Twinkle Twinkle. So it has two themes. The first theme, the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. That happens twice in the melody. And then we have the line B, the second theme, da 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 da. So we'll be kind of splitting those up and then talking about those. So theme A, pretty easy. It starts with our open D string and our open A string. So we're going, I'm showing it like this so that y'all can see my fingers, but feel free to stay in your playing position. So we're going D, D, A, B, B, A. You would move your elbow to get to the G if you were in your perfect playing position. G, G, F sharp, E, E, D, and you would rest. So that happens again at the end of the song. But here we go. Again, D, A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. That's the first version, the first theme of the melody. The second theme starts on your A string. Life hack, again, I love these life hacks. Life hack, if you are in your perfect playing position, you can keep your, there you go. If you notice, I am not touching my A string. My third finger, my first, second, and third finger are down on my D string, and I can still play my A. I'm trying to get the angle to where you can see that I'm not touching, even though it's down. If I do not have perfect playing position, and excuse me, and my wrist collapse, I'm going to be touching the A string, and it's going to sound like this. So lift those fingers up to where you have those tunnels. You could do that. Life hack 2. I like this life hack because I think it's easier and you don't have to move your bow as much when you're playing it with your bow. Fourth finger on your D string is an A note. It's the same A note as your open A string. So just like our musical alphabet, D, E, F sharp, G, A. Same as D, E, F, G, A. So when we start playing this with our bow, you're not going to have to switch strings back and forth. You stay on that same string by using our fourth finger. You can practice using our fourth finger if you go to our play along playlist on my channel. You'll see Dynamite by BTS. It's actually using fourth finger E, which is the same as your open E string. I don't have that here, but you can practice using that fourth finger, that little pinky. If you're like, I have short fingers, I can't reach, remember my other life hack from last video. And now you can reach. And now you can reach. And now you can reach. This elbow has magical powers. It helps your pinky finger feel like it's longer. So theme 2, I'm going to use my 4th finger. So A, 3rd finger G, F sharp, and back to 4, G, F sharp. If you use the A string, it's A, G, F sharp, it's A again, G, F sharp, E. So 2 different options. I prefer the one where you use your 4th finger because you just go 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. You're literally just picking up a finger as you go. So that's what I recommend. And then it goes back to the beginning. D, D, A, B, B, A, G, G, F sharp, E, E, D. So you have that again. So let's play it all together. All together, I'm going to go into my perfect playing position. And remember, none of this, none of this. You're right here. I'll name off the note names, and you can look along in your book so that you know what they sound like and what they are called. Here we go. 1, and here we go. D, D, A, B, B, A, G, G, F sharp, E, E, D. Second line. A, G, G, F sharp, E. Back to the A. A, G, G, F sharp, E. Theme A. D, D, A, B, B, A, G, G, F sharp, E, E, D. So some people have asked me before why I play 4th finger A instead of open A on the theme B on the 2nd line, as opposed to where I play open A on theme A. Because it has to do with another orchestral secret. It has to do with what's coming after that. So theme A, you have D, D, A, B, B, A. So you're going to be putting fingers down on your A string anyway. Might as well play that open A string, get it ready because your fingers are going to be there anyway. If you notice, the highest note we have on theme B is that A note, and then after that the notes just get lower. So if the notes after that A are lower, might as well put them on that lower string since we're going to be playing that lower string anyway. So just a little bit of thinking ahead that you could do on that part. Are you going to play open A or not? Are the notes after the A string higher? Play open A. Are the notes after the A string lower? Play the A on the D string. So a little bit of less movement orchestra hacks. Hopefully this tutorial of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star by the wonderful Mozart on page 10 of your strings book. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you need me to clear some stuff up or kind of have any questions, comments, or concerns. Put them in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Everybody stay safe out there.